Hey, stop for 1 second.
Yes, stop.
We have a question for you.
When was the last time you had real fun?
Yesterday?
Last week?
Or you can't remember?
Don't worry.
Because today we are talking all about fun.
What is fun?
What do people do for fun?
And what can you do for fun?
Stay with us.
This episode is going to be really fun.
Let's go.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Smart English Official. I am Lima.
And I'm James. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
How are you feeling today?
I am feeling great, Lima. I am full of energy today.
Full of energy? That is new.
Yes, sometimes I have energy.
Only sometimes?
Okay, maybe not always, but today I have a lot of energy.
I love it. And I am happy today too. The sun is shining. Life is good.
Life is very good.
Okay, but before we start, let's talk to our listeners.
Yes, dear listeners, thank you for being here.
Please subscribe to Smart English Official. Click the subscribe button right now.
It is free, and it really helps us.
Also, please like this video. Just one click, it means so much.
And share this video with a friend. Maybe someone you know is learning English.
Yes, send it to them. Learning English is more fun with friends.
And please leave us a comment below. We love hearing from you.
We read every comment, every single one.
So don't be shy. Write to us.
Okay, are you ready for today's topic?
I am so ready.
Let's talk about fun. What is fun?
Lima, let me ask you something.
Yes.
What does fun mean to you?
Fun is when you feel happy, when you forget about stress, when you smile and laugh.
I love that.
Yes. Fun is different for everyone.
That is so true.
What is fun for me maybe is not fun for you.
Right. For example, I think sleeping is fun.
James, sleeping is not a hobby.
Why not? I am very good at it.
Oh, James.
Okay. Maybe sleeping is not a hobby, but it is relaxing.
Yes, but fun is more than relaxing. Fun is also doing things you enjoy.
Things that make you feel alive.
Yes, exactly.
So Lima, what do you do for fun?
Okay, I have many things I love to do.
Tell me everything.
First, I love dancing.
Oh, dancing. That is so fun.
Yes, I dance at home, in my living room, by myself.
By yourself?
Yes, I put on music and I just dance.
That is amazing. I love that image.
It looks a little crazy, but it feels so good.
That is wonderful. Do you dance any special style?
I like pop music, so I just dance however I want. No rules.
Free dancing. I love it.
It's the best stress reliever. After a long day, I just dance for 10 minutes and I feel so much better.
I should try that.
You should. What else do I do for fun? I love walking outside.
Oh, walking.
Yes, not fast walking, just slow, relaxing walking.
Like a Sunday walk.
Yes, exactly like that. I look at the trees, I listen to the birds, I breathe fresh air.
That sounds so peaceful.
It really is. Walking helps me clear my mind.
When do you walk?
In the evening, after work, before dinner. Just 20 or 30 minutes.
That is a great habit.
It is, and it's free. You don't need anything, just your shoes.
Yes, don't forget your shoes.
Yes, please wear your shoes. Okay, James, your turn. What do you do for fun?
Oh, good. I was waiting for this.
Tell us.
Okay, I love playing video games.
Oh, video games.
Yes, I know. Some people think video games are just for kids.
I don't think that.
Right. Adults can play video games too.
Of course.
Video games are very fun. You use your brain, you solve problems, you can play with friends online.
That is true. What kind of games do you like?
I like adventure games where you explore a world and find new places.
That sounds exciting.
Yes, it's like traveling, but from your sofa.
From your sofa. That is very James.
Yes, I am a sofa traveler.
What else do you do for fun?
I love watching YouTube videos.
Oh, what kind of videos?
All kinds. Funny videos, learning videos, cooking videos.
Cooking videos? But can you cook?
I watch cooking videos. That is different from cooking.
James, watching is not the same as doing.
I know, but one day I will cook.
One day?
One day, maybe next year.
Okay, James, we will wait.
But seriously, I also love spending time with my family.
Oh, that is sweet.
Yes, on weekends, we sit together, we talk, we laugh, we watch movies.
That sounds wonderful.
Family time is the best kind of fun.
I completely agree. Do you like going out with friends?
Yes, I love spending time with friends.
Me too. What do you do with your friends?
We go to cafes, we sit and talk for hours.
Hours?
Yes, time goes so fast when you're with good friends.
That is so true.
We talk about everything. Work, life, funny stories, old memories.
And you laugh a lot?
So much. My stomach hurts from laughing.
That is the best kind of laughing.
It really is. Laughing with friends is the best medicine.
I agree. I go to the park with my friends.
The park?
Yes. We walk together, we talk and walk at the same time.
That sounds great.
Yes, you get fresh air and you spend time with your friend.
Two things at once.
Exactly. Very efficient.
Lima, the efficient friend.
Yes, that's me.
Lima, what do you do for fun at home?
At home, I love drawing.
Oh, you draw.
Yes, just simple drawings with pencil and paper.
What do you draw?
I draw small things. Flowers, faces, little cartoons.
That is so cute.
It is very relaxing. When I draw, I feel calm. I forget everything else.
That sounds like meditation.
Yes, it's like meditation with a pencil.
I love that.
You should try it. You don't need to be good at drawing.
I am terrible at drawing.
It doesn't matter. The point is to enjoy it, not to be perfect.
That is great advice.
Thank you. What do you do for fun at home?
I love listening to music.
Oh, what kind of music?
I like all kinds. Pop, rock, sometimes jazz.
Jazz. Oh, that is so relaxing.
Yes, on Sunday mornings, I make a cup of coffee, I sit in my chair, and I listen to jazz.
Ah, that sounds like a perfect morning.
It really is. No phone, no TV, just music and coffee.
I want that life.
It is available every Sunday. You just have to choose it.
You are right. Sometimes we forget to relax.
Exactly. We're always busy, always on our phones.
Yes, we need to stop sometimes
And just breathe.
and enjoy simple things.
Simple things are the best things.
James, did you ever try something new for fun and you loved it?
Oh, yes. One time I tried painting.
You tried painting?
Yes, my friend invited me. I said no at first
Why?
because I thought I was bad at art.
And?
And I was bad at art.
James.
But it was so much fun, even though I was terrible.
That is beautiful.
Yes, I laughed at my own painting. My friend laughed too. We had the best time.
That is what fun is all about.
Yes, you don't need to be good. You just need to enjoy it.
I tried.
That is great advice.
Thank you. What do you do for fun at home?
I love listening to music.
Oh, what kind of music?
I like all kinds. Pop, rock, sometimes jazz.
Jazz. Oh, that is so relaxing.
Yes, on Sunday mornings, I make a cup of coffee, I sit in my chair, and I listen to jazz.
Ah, that sounds like a perfect morning.
It really is. No phone, no TV, just music and coffee.
I want that life.
It is available every Sunday. You just have to choose it.
You are right. sometimes we forget to relax.
Exactly. We're always busy, always on our phones.
Yes, we need to stop sometimes
And just breathe.
and enjoy simple things.
Simple things are the best things.
James, did you ever try something new for fun and you loved it?
Oh, yes. One time I tried painting.
You tried painting?
Yes, my friend invited me. I said no at first
Why?
because I thought I was bad at art.
And?
And I was bad at art.
James,
But it was so much fun, even though I was terrible.
that is beautiful.
Yes, I laughed at my own painting. My friend laughed too. We had the best time.
That is what fun is all about.
Yes, you don't need to be good. You just need to enjoy it.
I tried something new too.
What?
I tried yoga.
Yoga. Is it hard?
At first, yes. I was not flexible at all.
Me neither.
But slowly, I got better, and now I love it.
Really?
Yes, it is so good for your body and your mind.
Maybe I should try yoga.
You should. Start with beginner yoga. It's easy and slow.
Okay, maybe I will try.
And listeners, you should try something new too.
Yes, don't be afraid.
Try one new thing this week.
Just one thing, small and simple.
You might find a new hobby.
You might find something you love. Okay, listeners, now it is your turn.
Yes, we have some questions for you.
Question number 1. What do you do for fun?
Do you dance, play games, walk outside?
Do you draw, listen to music, spend time with friends?
Tell us in the comments.
We really want to know.
Question number 2, what is your favorite hobby?
The one thing you love the most.
What makes you feel happy and relaxed?
Write it below.
And question number 3, did you ever try something new for fun?
Something you were scared to try at first.
But then you loved it?
Tell us the story.
We love stories.
We really do. Please write in the comments.
James, let's give our listeners some tips.
Oh, great idea.
Tip number 1, make time for fun every day.
Yes, even just 15 minutes.
You can listen to a song, take a short walk, draw a small picture.
15 minutes of fun can change your whole day.
That is so true.
Tip number 2, do fun things with other people.
Yes, fun is better when you share it.
Call a friend, go for a walk together, watch a movie together.
Doing things with people makes you feel connected.
And connection is very important.
Very important.
Tip number 3, try free activities.
Yes, fun does not need money.
Walking is free, dancing at home is free, reading is free.
Many great things in life are free.
You just need to look for them.
Tip number 4, put down your phone sometimes.
I needed to hear that.
Me too.
Sometimes we spend too much time on our phones.
Yes, and we forget to really live.
So, put the phone down, go outside, talk to people, see the world.
Real life is beautiful.
It really is.
Okay, James, I think we had so much fun today.
We did. We talked about dancing, walking, video games, drawing, music, friends, and so much more.
Life has so many fun things.
So many.
And remember, fun is different for everyone.
That's right. What is fun for Lima might be different for you.
And that is perfectly okay.
Find what makes you happy
And make time for it.
every single day.
Because when you have fun,
You feel less stress
you feel more energy.
and you feel more alive.
Life is better with fun.
Much better.
Okay, dear listeners, thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you. You are amazing. We love our community so much.
Please subscribe to Smart English Official right now. Click that button.
And like this video. It helps us reach more people.
Share this video with someone who is learning English.
Yes, help them find us.
And leave a comment. Tell us what you do for fun.
We will read every single comment. We promise.
See you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.